In this video, we're going to discuss how to add a new FAQ to your site. This site is powered by phpMYFAQ 2.8.18. When a user visits your site, they can click on the Add New FAQ in the menu at the top. This is going to be a proposal for a new FAQ, but this requires an administrator to release the FAQ. If you're an administrator and you want to add an FAQ, the best way to do this is by clicking on the administration link in the upper right. Then over on the left-hand side under the dashboard, you want to click on Add New FAQ Record. Under Add New FAQ, you will type in the question, then the answer to the question below in the WYSIWYG editor. And as we scroll down the page, you can add an attachment, tags, keywords. Some optional settings would be the from and to date and time if you want to expire this article, the author name and email, and as we scroll up the page, we'd put a category for this FAQ, whether or not this FAQ will be visible, whether you will allow comments, and the permissions. When you've done all of that, you can click on Save to create your FAQ. For those suggestions that people leave on the front of the site, so if we go back to the front and click on this Add New FAQ, so these proposals, when somebody fills one of these out, if we go back to administration, we can click on Edit Existing FAQs. And we see that under the academic technologies, we have one FAQ that's inactive. So let's click on that. And below that, we see that we have one that was marked as inactive. So we've checked the active box to make that active. You can also click on that item to make sure that all the settings are set properly. So whether the visibility set, the comments, and all the other items, and you can always click on Save. For every record, there are revisions, so there's a change log created for each one. So at this point, if I clicked on Save, you will see in the upper right-hand corner that I now have a drop-down for revisions. So as you're creating and editing records, you can always go back through your past revisions. And when you're done, you can always visit the front-facing side of your site to see if the articles are showing up properly.